11th bit first problem. So here replace the C1 with C1 minus C2 and replace the C2 with C2 minus C3. So then the first 1 minus 1 here A minus B, A cube minus B cube. Next C2 replace with C2 minus C3. So 1 minus 1 B minus C, B cube minus C cube, and the last column will come as it is. So it is equals to 1 minus 1 0. Next A minus B and A cube minus B cube formula, A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Next second column is 1 minus 1 0 B minus C, B cube minus C cube formula, B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square. Next the last column is 1 C C cube. So here from the first column we can take the A minus B common, and from the second column take the B minus C common. So then overall A minus B into B minus C is a common. So then first column will become 0 1, and here A square plus AB plus B square. Next second column is 0 1, so B square plus BC plus C square, and the last column is 1 C C cube. So now expand the first row B minus C. So then here the first element is 0, so 0 into anything is 0. Next second element is 0, so here also 0 into anything is 0. Next third element is 1, so 1 into, cancel the row and column, 1 into B square plus BC plus C square, 1 into A square plus AB plus B square. So then B square plus BC plus C square, so minus bracket of A square plus AB plus B square. So let's simplify this. So A minus B into B minus C, so in the bracket here B square plus BC plus C square. Now remove the bracket here, so then minus A square minus AB, so minus B square. So A minus B into B minus C, so here plus B square minus B square cancel. So next, so from these two we can take the B common, so B bracket of C minus A, and here we can apply one formula, C minus A into C plus A. So then it is equals to A minus B into B minus C, here C minus A, here C minus A, so we can take the C minus A common, bracket of B plus C plus A. So B plus C plus A can write as A plus B plus C. Next second problem, here column 1 replace with C1 minus C2, and column 2 replace with C2 minus C3. So then here first column is 1 minus 1 A square minus B square, A cube minus B cube. Next second column will becomes 1 minus 1 B square minus C square, B cube minus C cube. Next third column will come as it is, so 1 C square C cube. So now it is equals to 1 minus 1 0, here A plus B into A minus B. Next here A cube minus B cube means A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Next second column 0, B plus C into B minus C. Next here B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square. Next 1 C square C cube. So from the first column we can take the A minus B common, and from the second column take the B minus C common. So A minus B into B minus C, So 0 a plus b, and here a square plus ab plus b square. So next second column 0, here b plus c, b square plus bc plus c square. Next to 1 c square c cube. Now expand the first row, a minus b into b minus c. Here take the bracket, 0 into minus 0 into plus 1 into, so here a plus b into b square plus bc plus c square. Next to minus b plus c into a square plus ab plus b square. So now it is equals to a minus b into b minus c. So in the bracket, so here total zeros. So a plus b into b square plus bc plus c square. So let's simplify this. So next to simplify this second one. So now plus ab square minus ab square cancel, plus abc minus abc. So next to ac square, next to b cube minus b cube, b square c minus b square c. So now a minus b into b minus c. So in the bracket the remaining elements are ac square plus bc square minus ba square minus ca square. So here a minus b into b minus c. So from this first and last we can take the ac common. So ac bracket of c minus a, and from these two take the b common. So c square minus a square. So a minus b into b minus c. So ac in the bracket c minus a plus b into c square minus a square means c plus a into c minus a. So here a minus b into b minus c. So from the total we can take the c minus a common. So then inside ac plus b bracket of c plus a. So let's simplify. So a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into ac, a b multiplied inside bc plus ba. So the final answer is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. First we write this one ab, next here bc, next this one ca. So this is our required answer. Third problem, here c1 replace with c1 plus c2 plus c3. So then a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a, x minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x, p minus q plus q minus r plus r minus p. This is the first column, and the second column will come as it is. So q minus r, here c minus a, z minus x, r minus p. So now plus a minus b plus b minus c plus c cancel, x minus y plus y minus z plus z, p minus q plus q minus r plus r cancel. So then the first column is total zeros, second column b minus c, y minus z, q minus r, c minus a, z minus x, r minus p. So now it is equals to expand the first column. So 0 into minus 0 into plus 0 into. So all are zeros in the first column. So then total answer is 0.